How you doing, guys? This is Nelson Martinez with Armored Painting. Today we are in North Mcallen here in the beautiful home that we're about to repaint. The blue is going to become purple. The customer decided to keep the yellow color or the creamy color the same, so we are going to leave that the same. We are going to be using a very good paint today, and this one is called Duration by Sherwin Williams. Now let me tell you a neat story about this one. I went to a customer's house. A buddy of mine was having issues with the paint bubbling. We went out there to check it out. We thought it was going to be the paint. I get there, I didn't know what paint was on the wall yet. But I get there, and turns out that the water faucet was leaking inside the wall, so it was causing the whole wall to blister. So I called my buddy and I told him, hey, it's not the paint, dude, it's the water. So he went out there, he fixed it. But during the conversation, I asked him, hey, when did you paint this house? It looks like you just painted it. He's like, no, dude, we painted that house like four or 6 years ago. I was like, no way, dude. It looks like you just painted it. So, and he told me to use Duration. So that's the difference when you use a very good high quality paint. The thickness of the paint, you could just feel your hand on the paint, and it just felt super thick. You can feel thickness and quality. So you can see here, the guys are working on switching out colors. They're switching from the purple to that creamy color. So they're cleaning their machine. I like showing during the process of the guys doing their thing. Check this out. Beautiful color. How gorgeous does that look? I know there's people out there that like purple. I like purple. Purple and gold, baby. Lakers. So there is overspray up there. You can see there's purple on that yellow side, but that's going to be painted with the same creamy color. So there's no worries there. That's just part of the process. So this home is going to look beautiful, gorgeous. You can see the guys did a good job. This paint is Duration. Man, you can see how shiny this paint is. See that? Beautiful, nice. So once it dries, this paint is actually a coating that protects you from the elements. You know, it has a very good mildew resistant, so you won't have. You see that green spot right there? The guys actually missed that when they were washing, so we're gonna take care of that by hand right now. It's just one little piece right there. So for those of you that don't know, if you were to paint right over that, that would bleed through your paint immediately like that. So it is very important that all mildew and algae is removed from your walls. If not, you're gonna continue to have the same problem. But with Duration, this paint right here, let's check it out. This is one of the best. So there's Emerald, Rain Refresh, and then there's regular Emerald exterior, and then this Duration. So the difference, I'd say from Duration up, the paints are thick, really thick. So you get double protection. So one coat of Duration equals 2 coats of anything else. So All right, guys, this is called surface cleaning. We use this high-tech machine here. It's an industrial surface cleaner. So this is the work we're able to provide for you. This is called algae. All that black stuff is algae that seeps into your concrete. So we're able to spray an environmental-free solution to help remove it, and then we go over it with our surface cleaner, and you can see before and after. You can see those edges right here where it looks just horrible and nasty. So if you have a dirty driveway or sidewalk, give us a call. We'll be more than happy to go out and give you a free estimate. At this particular house, we did a paint job. So as you can see, these beautiful colors here, Plum Dandy, and we custom matched the color up there, the creamy. So the customer was very satisfied with this paint job. So as you can see, we removed some algae on these walls as well. And now we're making sure we're taking care of the complete package here, make sure everything looks beautiful all the way around.